na akong hawakan. Natasha, tumigil ka na. Ayoko ng skandalo dito dahil magkapatid tayo, di ba?
Fine. I'll leave you alone as long as you admit na talagang sinadya mong agawin sa akin si Josh. Go. Now. Admit it now.
Natasha, ano ba nangyari dito?
Nothing, Lo. Diana and I are just catching up.
Huwag ka nang umasa nakakampihan ka pa ng lolo mo, Diana. Kalaban na ang tingin niyan sa'yo. Don Romado, your family has fallen apart. Your company's next. Enjoy the last days of legacy.
Natasha, third. Let's go. Excuse me?
Get out of my way.
Shall we?
You must be joking. How dare you wear the same gown I'm wearing?
Ay! Bakit? What's the problem? Ano ka talaga, no? Alam mo, ibig sabihin yan, usap to. Hindi ka nagagalit.
Eva, magpalit ka na lang. May isa pang gown sa kotse. No, I won't. Come on. Hubarin mo yan. Ngayon din.
Excuse me, matagal na akong retirement ng pagiging bold star, kaya hindi na ako naguhubad.
I don't care. And I don't care what other cheap spare clothes you brought. Get out of that gown this instant.
Alam mo, Eva, gutom na ako eh. Kaya, kung hindi mo ako tatantanan, marami naman sigurong reporter dyan na pwede kong tawagin. Photographer, di ba marami? Cute tayo, tignan mo. Mukha tayong kambal. Gusto mo? Ha? Ano? Tatawag ba ako?
You really don't get it, don't you? You really don't. Do you?
Hindi ka talaga titigil, ah.
I said get out of the gown this instant.
Violence!
Here she goes again.
Photographer! Miss!
Don't.
Miss! Hi!
Don't know what you're doing.
Tignan niyo kami, oh! Ang ganda-ganda ng suot namin. Terno. Ay! Para kami sister-in-law. So, diba? Ayan, kambal. Oh. Ay!
Kamusta na po kayo, Lolo?
I'm all right. Thank you for asking. Ikaw, kumusta ka na sa SGC?
Mabuti naman po, Lolo.
Romado, I never really got to thank you properly. Kung hindi niyo pinakawalan si Diana sa legacy, hindi kami magkakaroon ng magaling ng marketing and sales head. In fact, kaya lang naman naging nalampaso ng lala mga produkto ninyo dahil sa mga effective marketing concepts ni Diana. Diana's a very, very valuable asset in SGC. We value her loyalty very much.
Would you excuse me?
Are you gonna follow? Really, Diana? I really don't think you should follow people who really don't care about you. Life is too short to believe in concepts like true love, happy families. Look at me. I live life by the moment, and I'm happy.
Wes, hindi ako maging katulad mo. Dahil isa kang walang kwentang tao. Intindihan mo ba yan?